Bo Hairston, empowerment speaker and personal development coach. Bo is CEO of the Hairston Company, LLC, a personal development coaching business that loves to inspire and educate athletes, entrepreneurs, and business leaders. We provide leadership training that equips, inspires, and empowers individuals to live up to their expectations, not others. We also facilitate training to help college and professional athletes live beyond the game. What great leaders do to be successful. They lead by example. They embody self-confidence. They inspire self-confidence in others. They are not self-serving. They know how to take advice from others. They possess the fortitude to move ahead, even in tough times. They lead by following. They lead from within. Eleanor Roosevelt said it best, "For our success to be real, it must contribute to the success of others." Eleanor Roosevelt. We can provide your company with the following services: leadership training, seminars, workshop, coaching, one-on-one coaching. Call today for your free discovery. 678-826-4731. Office. www.bohairston.com. www.info@hairstonco.com.